Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Amazon account region 2026 guide step by step clearly. First, open the Amazon app or go to amazon.com in your web browser and make sure you are signed in. If you use a browser, click Account and Lists at the top right to open your account menu. If you use the app, tap the menu icon and open Account Settings. Find and open your addresses so you can check the country linked to your default address. Add a new address in the country you want to switch to, and save it as your default address. Go back to your account menu and open Content and Devices if you see it in your region settings. Open Preferences and look for Country/Region Settings. Select Change and choose the new country or region from the list. Read the warning about digital content, subscriptions, and balance, because some items may not transfer. Confirm the change if you are sure, and wait for Amazon to apply the new region. Now return to the Amazon homepage and scroll to the bottom to find the country or region selector. Click or tap the flag or country name and choose the marketplace you want, like Amazon UK, Amazon D, or Amazon CA. Make sure the website domain matches the new marketplace, because each store has its own catalog and prices. If you want to keep the same language, open Language Settings and select your preferred language. Go to Payments and check your default payment method, because some cards may not work in every marketplace. Add a payment method that is accepted in the new region, and set it as default if needed. Open Prime settings and check whether your Prime membership is active for this marketplace. Cancel or switch Prime only inside the correct marketplace, because Prime benefits do not always carry over. If you use Kindle, Audible, or other digital services, open Manage Your Content and Devices again. Check whether your digital purchases are tied to the old region, and note that some content can become unavailable. If you have an Amazon balance or gift card balance, check whether it can be used in the new region before switching fully. Open orders and review your current deliveries, because changing regions can affect shipping options and return rules. Update your default shipping address at checkout to match the new country for accurate delivery estimates. If you cannot find the region change option, try doing it on a desktop browser, because some app versions hide it. If it still does not appear, contact Amazon customer service and request a country or marketplace update. After the change, sign out and sign in again to refresh the store settings across your devices. Test the setup by searching an item and going to checkout to confirm currency, delivery, and taxes look correct. Finally, keep in mind you can switch marketplaces anytime, but frequent changes may confuse subscriptions in digital libraries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.